Hi, I'm Pauline Field, and this is today's video on how to retire happily. And today, I'm going to talk about seasonal living. Now, what I mean by that is that, we're pretty used to in the United States being able to do anything and have anything and any time of the year. The seasons tend to blend. But nature has seasons. And so, for instance, different foods. If you go to a farmer's market, you won't find the same fruits and vegetables all year round. Not all of them, anyway. There are different ones for different seasons. So, what if you adjusted your life to be seasonal? So, for instance, we go skiing in the winter and swimming in the summer. Now, I know you can go swimming pretty much year round because there are indoor pools. And hiking just with regular shoes or boots, you can do spring, summer, and fall. But in the winter, you need snowshoes if you're in that kind of a climate. So, learning to look at nature, listen to nature, and live our lives that way can be very emotionally satisfying. I mean, don't we want to take a hot bath in the winter? But not in the summer when it's 90 degrees. And we we're looking at, what we can do ecologically. And this is one of the ways we can do it, is to not try and force the things we love all year round. So, our home environment too. Some people are affected by the low light. If that's you, then maybe some, change in your decor to include more light in the winter. And I know people who, just like our ancestors, when the sun goes down, that's the end of their day. They don't prolong it too much. And when the sun comes up, that's when they're up. So, look at nature and see how you can adjust your life. And be mindful. Be mindful of it. And do the self-care that's appropriate for the seasons. Sounds like something to take on for the new year coming up. So I hope you have a wonderful day that includes lots of laughter. And I look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow.